Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this C8 key fob. This is a pretty simple process. The only thing you don't need any tools, you just need to replace some battery, and this takes one of these 2450s. And you get these on Amazon, they're dirt cheap. There's a link below in the description, I'll take you straight there. Okay, so here's what you want to do. First order of business is you want to take this key out. So press in this button and pull that out. Just basically press, pull. Now take the key that you've just taken out, and there's an indentation right here, and then this piece is going to pop up. Press it in there pretty firmly. Okay, so you can see that piece popped up. And there's your battery. That's a 2450, and you can see the plus side's up. Now if you have fingernails, this works out best. Pull it out there. Make sure you don't touch any of the electrical components, and then slide your fresh battery in like that. Put the silicone cover back on. You got to give this a pretty good squeeze. Insert this back in, you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.